been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. Then there's a Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe.
Remember, boys and girls, the louder you cheer, the more you chant, the harder they go, the harder they hit. So we need some crowd participation.
You stole that! You stole that!
And once again, we are your hillbilly hostesses with the mostesses. Me, myself, Dirty North, and my good friend Johnny Malloy, and we are the Dirty Deeds. Thank you very much. Now, we need to have an actual wrestling extravaganza here tonight. Then we need ourselves a good professional announcer, am I right? Which means I gotta try out my announcer voice. So let's try this one out. This first contest